Hello friends, this is Sahiti here. Today we are going to discuss about some important GK questions. What is syrinx? Answer is voice box in birds. By whom is the Speaker of the Lok Sabha is elected? Answer is all the members of Lok Sabha. Which is the best conductor of electricity? Answer is silver. Which of the planets is nearest to the Earth? Answer is Venus. In which year was the Indus Valley civilization discovered? Answer is 1921. Which first woman to become a chief minister of any state in India? Answer is Sucheta Kripalni. The United Nations declared 2010 as which international year? Answer is Rapprochement of Cultures. Which tissue take part in healing the wounds? Answer is epithelial tissue. Which is the highest and final judicial tribunal in respect of the Constitution of India? Answer is Supreme Court. The main activity associated with the fold of mountain? Answer is earthquakes. Who was the Afghan ruler of India whose administrative system was ameliorated by the British? Answer is Sher Shah. Temporary hardness of water is due to the presence of which thing? Answer is magnesium bicarbonate. Regatta is associated with which sport event? Answer is rowing. The drainage pattern developed on folded sedimentary rocks. Answer is trellis. Whose tomb is Bivika Maqbara? Answer is Aurangzeb's wife. Which energy do not have the problem of pollution? Answer is sun. When was the Madras state renamed Tamil Nadu? Answer is 1969. What is a suitable unit for expressing electric field strength? Answer is Newton per Coulomb. Rotation of the earth causes deflection of wind by which force? Answer is Coriolis force. Which of the following organized a Maratha confederacy against the English leading to the Third Anglo-Maratha War? Answer is the Peshwa. Which woman has become the highest individual scorer in an innings in Test? Answer is Kiran Baloch. What is the name of the person that controls a football match? Answer is an umpire. Which air pollutant affect the nervous system of man? Answer is lead. Which is the chief characteristics of wet and dry tropics? Answer is constant heating. How many banks were nationalized since 1969? Answer is 20. Which modification of root does not store food? Answer is stilt. Which planet is known as the Earth twin? Answer is Venus. Purusha Sukta is a part of which Veda? Answer is Rig Veda. What does the special status of Jammu and Kashmir imply? Answer is a separate constitution. Through which material does sound travel slowest? Answer is wood. What are the brothers Umakant and Ramakant Gundecha? Answer is Drupad vocalist. The equatorial circumference is greater than the polar circumference by? Answer is approximately 68 kilometers. Which was common both to Harappan society and Rigvedic society? Answer is horses. Which union agency has its headquarters at Paris? Answer is UNESCO. Vegetative propagation by stem cutting is generally applies to? Answer is sugarcane. To whom is the chief minister of a state responsible? Answer is governor. What is the distance of the equator from either of the poles? Answer is 10,002 kilometers. Who was the president of the first Buddhist council held at Rajgriha? Answer is Mahakashyapa. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please do subscribe.